In this video, I'll show you how to choose between Zelle and Stripe. Start by understanding that Zelle and Stripe serve different purposes. Zelle is primarily designed for fast bank-to-bank money transfers between individuals and businesses in the United States. Stripe is a payment processing platform designed for businesses that need to accept online payments from customers. Next, think about how you plan to receive money. If you simply need to receive payments directly into your bank account from customers or clients who also have access to Zelle may be the simpler option. Payments are typically sent directly between bank accounts without requiring a separate payment gateway. On the other hand, if you operate a website, online store, subscription service, or software business, Stripe is usually the better choice. Uh, Stripe allows customers to pay using credit cards, debit cards, digital wallets, and other payment methods without requiring them to use a specific banking app. Now, consider your business size and payment volume. Zelle works well for freelancers, local service providers, contractors, and small businesses that mainly receive direct payments. Stripe is often preferred by growing businesses that need automated payment processing, recurring billing, invoices, and e-commerce integrations. After that, think about international payments. Zelle is focused on US bank accounts and is generally intended for domestic transfers. Stripe supports businesses that serve customers in multiple countries and need more advanced payment capabilities. Next, review the fees. Zelle is often free for users through participating banks, although policies can vary. Stripe typically charges transaction fees for processing payments because it provides payment infrastructure, fraud protection, payment management tools, and business integrations. Now consider customer convenience. If your customers are comfortable sending bank transfers through Zelle, it can be a quick and straightforward solution. If you want customers to complete purchases directly on your website using cards and digital wallets, Stripe usually provides a smoother checkout experience. After that, think about automation. Stripe offers features such as recurring subscriptions, payment links, invoicing, reporting, and developer tools. Zelle is generally designed for simpler payment transfers rather than advanced business automation. Next, evaluate your technical requirements. Zelle requires very little setup if your bank supports it. Stripe may require connecting integrations, setting up payment pages, or configuring an online store, depending on your business model. Finally, choose Zelle if your goal is simple US bank-to-bank payments with minimal setup. Choose Stripe if your goal is to accept online payments, support multiple payment methods, automate billing, and scale your business over time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to choose between Zelle and Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.